Welcome to one and all. Myself Dr. Brijesh Shankar Rao Deshmukh. Welcome you all in our today's session. Today we are going to have detailed discussion about the writing skills. I have tried my level best to cover all the writing skills. As we will have a discussion about letter writing, film or book review, leaflet, expansion of ideas, then blog writing, email writing, virtual messages, comparing, interview questionnaire, group discussion, mind mapping. With the help of this video or with the help of all the inculcated examples, you will get the clear idea how to present the writing skills in your upcoming board exam. So, I wish you best for scoring the best score in every exam. So, let's have a detailed discussion about the writing skills. At the first, we are going to discuss letter writing. Always remember, while writing a letter, you need to follow left hand side margin or left hand alignment. First of all, you have to write it down sender's address, then salutation like respected sir, respected ma'am. If you are writing an informal letter, then only we are allowed to use informal salutation as dear friend or dear you can take a name of your friend and so on. Then body of the letter should be divided within a 3 paragraphs. If we have written or if we are writing job application letter, then the opening para should consist the information about the applicant. Then the second para provide details, a little bit surface level details about the academics, which was the last degree that he or she has pursued, and in last paragraph you should explain your experience and the expectations that if you given a chance then definitely you will prove your best. So with that complimentary close you have to wind up your letter. At the end, don't forget to mention complimentary close. In that complimentary close you can express your heartful thanks. Instead of using yours faithfully, always go for yours truly, yours sincerely and all. If you have written job application letter, then don't forget to mention over there the attachments. Simply you have to just write it down that what you have attached. For example, the detailed biodata that you have attached, or you have attached all the necessary ask certificates to the letter. Okay, so here you can see the other sample of formal letter and a detailed example which I have left it here in front of you. You can simply stop a video for a second and refer this letter writing. I have written this letter, for example it is about the ban on plastic use or plastic carry bags, and this letter that I have written or it is prepared to the editor of newspaper about bringing the awareness among the people of stop using or to prohibit the use of plastic carry bags. Okay, so you can go through with this thing. The next is film review. What is film review? The genre is really remarkable, quite popular. While writing the film review, you have to keep few things in your mind. First of all, you have to go for the genre, then the script writer, director or direction, who was the director, acting, who were the actors and actresses, then the sound, music, okay, then cinematography, characterization, plot and analysis. Simply, here is an example about the two states. You can see that the movie's title, first of all you have to mention, then the casting, Alia Bhatt and Arjun Kapoor was there, the leading actor and actresses, then the director Abhishek Varman, screenplay, music director's information, and then the detail of the film review I have given over here. While writing the film review, you need to keep one thing in your mind, that your review should not disclose the actual idea of the film. Okay, so that is the actual film review. If you succeed to maintain the secrecy of your film review, then definitely you can get the out of score. So this is the example of film, two states. Then I have covered the example of Dunyadari, which is Marathi movie. There is no any like boundaries that okay you have to go for only Hollywood, Bollywood movies. You can write it down any movies example, but make sure that okay you are going to follow the points such as story, then the after that review in detail, or end conclusion. Okay, here other example I have provided about the Dabangg 3 movie. The points which I have covered in a way also you can write it down. You can go for story, characters, slogans or music, then acting, action, theme, weak or strong points, special features, my opinion or your own personal opinion about the movie. So in a way you can cover up your film review. Okay, so you can go on with these examples. Then one more example I have prepared about the book review. It is not just related to the book review which you are going to get in your exam only. You can also get an example to write it down the book review. So you can write down the review of book, any of the book which you have recently read, or you have found of the book or writer. So in a way you can write it down the book review. Okay, so these are the points, or the in a way you can write it down the book review also. Now let's check it out. The next point I have covered is about the leaflet. While writing the leaflet, make sure that your leaflet should be attractive, it should be appealing, and it should be full with slogans, quotations, proverbs. Okay, at the mid you can use little bit 2 to 4 lines paragraphs of giving the details about your program, but don't forget to mention who is the chief guest of the program. Have you arranged any special activity like a rally or any street play, such a things that okay you need to mention. Then if you are going to conduct, or if you are writing any leaflet about blood donation, eye donation, about the health checkup and all those things, then the collaboration of the government medical hospitals need to be there. Without that, okay, people won't believe, or no one will come and be the part of your activity. So these are the basic precautions while writing any kind of leaflet. You need to follow the basic measurements. Okay, then at the end of the leaflet you have to mention the address of your firm in detail. Okay, if possible provide just like general contact number over there in left hand side corner, and in right hand side corner you have to draw the symbol of your organization. Just remember one thing, don't go for the drawing or sketching. This is not the drawing or sketching paper. Okay, then after that, this is another sample of writing a leaflet. You can follow any format of leaflet, even the leaflet of tourist place. Okay, that also I have left it here. Like for example, if we are going to a hill station like Panchgani, then where to go, how to go, where to stay, what to see, specialty of the place, and all those things we need to cover up in tourist leaflet. Okay, then after that, expansion of idea. Here I have covered just a small example of writing expansion of idea. Make sure that your expansion of idea should have minimum 5 to 6 paragraphs. Every para should consist 5 to 6 lines, and in a line 5 to 6 words has to be there. Okay, so this is the appropriate writing, because every writing skill is there for 4 marks, and down there you can see the marks distribution also. Here are the some other example, like experience is the best teacher, and all that glitters is not a gold, or a book cannot be judged by its cover. These two expansion of ideas I have tried to cover. Okay, by taking a pause you can go through the video, or you can take out the details about my examples or samples. Now let's check it out. What is a blog writing? Simply, blog writing means covering our own views. Okay, writing what about what we, especially as a particularly, what do we feel about the things that we need to mention. Blog writing, when we are doing it on online or computer, it goes in a like a reverse way. Okay, but when we are writing this in exam, we have to keep one thing in mind, that we have to develop minimum 3 to 4 paragraphs. Okay, and a single paragraph should have like minimum 7 to 8 lines, and every line, as I have said earlier, must consist more than 6 words. Okay, in blog writing, do remember one more thing, that you need to express your own opinion. If you are taking the opinion of others, for example, our respected Narendra Modi ji has started, or he has launched the mission of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So what Modi ji has said, if you are commenting about that, then it should be in indentations or double quote. Okay, the time we are using, or we are covering what has been said by others, so that time we should put down their own words in quotation. So the credit should goes to the speaker. Okay, it should not be in our own credit. Whatever we are feeling personally, that we need to mention in detail. Okay, so that is the blog writing. It is the most easiest topic ever. You just need to explain, elaborate what do you feel about the idea. Here is an example about blog, that personality developments I have covered over here. Like in a way you can cover up. Okay, but don't forget to draw the template also. You have to draw the box at the top, minimum opening 3 paragraphs, or minimum opening 3 small boxes, square boxes you have to cover, where you have to write it down the address www.blogger.com, then the title, post the title at the mid of your writing, and then the publish and save, and then after that sudden means soon down there you can write it down your all ideas about the personality developments, and then at the end don't forget to draw 2 small boxes about the comments and the date. Okay, so this template you have to follow while writing the blog. Now let's check it out an email writing. Okay, in your board exam they may provide you the template or they may not. You have to draw the template, and in that template only you have to write it down an email. First of all, check this out. You will draw the template where you are going to write it down: composing, search mail, then inbox, draft, send, trash. All those layouts will come out. Then your detail email will come to whom you are going to send, then the CC. Okay, carbon copy you have to write it down any general address, then BCC, blank carbon copy. There again do write it down an address, do not leave anything blank which can make us to lose any single mark. Okay, then subject we have to write it down. It is email writing is just same as letter writing, but make sure that okay, your writing should not be like it should not have repetition, it should not get like cut off the sentences at the mid. Okay, you need to be careful about your writing. So subject should be small and attractive. Then the body of the email should be like within a 2 to 3 paragraphs, as same as the letter writing. Don't forget to go for the salutations and complimentary close while writing the email. If you have to attach any attachment like job application letter, then your curriculum vitae or your necessary required documents will come over here. If you are writing a complaint email, so there you have to provide your billing details about the transaction which you have done earlier. So these things will come in an attachment, and then at the end send and forward. So these things you have to follow while writing an email. Now the next is virtual message. What is a virtual message? That virtual message can be attempted in 3 ways, that is oral, written, or in a virtual way. Orally we are simply speaking, written we are writing it down, and virtually with the help of like communication means or devices we are using. While writing the virtual message, you need to follow like in a format that you have to follow date, time, name of a person whom the message is directed, then the body of the message, name of the writer, sender, then write a message in a regulatory or rectangular bracket, then the word limit of the message. It was 50, but now it has been increased up to 100. Okay, so minimum 2 paragraphs you can develop up. So check this out. Here I have made an example of virtual message for you. You can simply refer an example of virtual message. Check this out. Here I have prepared one example. In your exam you will get a sample question like a model activity. Suppose you are Aditya and today you had the following conversation with Pranay, a friend of your elder brother Arnav. So these are like samples that you may get into an exam, and with the help of this provided sample paragraph or the conversation which had been taken place in between 2 people, you may get instruction to prepare your answer. So here the sample also I have prepared. You can check this out by yourself. Okay, I'm not just like going in detail just because I don't want to make it so lengthy and long. With the help of like little bit discussion also you can come up with a detailed idea. Now the next point I have covered over here, that the art of comparing. What is comparing is a skill. Okay, this person, the one who is doing the comparing of any activity like annual function, or if there is any induction program in your school, colleges and all. So the one who does or the one who carries the comparing always drives an attention of all the listeners. So person need to be very punctual, need to be very keen about his or her thoughts, and one need to like bring the crisp in their expressions or in their deliverance of thoughts. Okay, so check this out. While writing the comparing script, you need to follow the introduction, what is the program, then after that you have to like go for the welcoming of song, then welcoming of the chief guest, their introduction, felicitation, then what is the actual program, about that you need to go for it. Then start for the main event, like if it is an annual function, then first of all the you can go for like whatever the performances students have prepared. So one by one, like take their names and give little bit ideas, like make some like joy or praise, appreciate about the programs, and let it go on, carry forward. Okay, then at the afterwards you can even cover up if there is any prize distribution about sports, about any remarkable achievement about any student, so that again will come up over there. And at the end, vote of thanks. Okay, in a way you can cover up your art of comparing. Then after that, the next point, here you can see the examples. Okay, the next point is after the comparing, interview questionnaire. How to prepare interview questionnaire? I have prepared some general questions for you. You can take a help of writing your interview questionnaire, and the questions which I have prepared are like useful for you to useful to cover up in any kind of interview questionnaire. Okay, but while writing an interview questionnaire, you have to make sure one thing, that okay, first of all you have to go for like greeting, responses to greeting. For you should say like good morning sir, good morning ma'am, I'm XYZ from so and so school and college, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity that you have given to interact with me, so I would like to ask you a few questions. So that will be your greeting. Then after that, while framing WH question, you need to be careful about that you should follow 5W and 1H at the beginning. Your opening 5W and 1H should not get repeat. Okay, now what is 5W and 1H? Like what, why, which, where, who, whose, whom. Such a W's you can use at the beginning, and then 1H, H stands for how. Okay, make sure that your 5 opening W and 1H should not get repeat. After these 6 questions you can repeat up. You can go for like model auxiliary, you can go for like helping verbs, you can frame any question, but just make sure that okay, there should be neatness. Your questionnaire should have like it should seems appropriate. After every question you should like leave a line blank. Now the recent change what board has brought it recently, that you may get a template like this. Okay, you may get a template, they may ask you questions, and according to the point you are supposed to frame a WH question. So here they have provided the template. In your answer sheet you have to draw this template, and you have to fill up all the answers. Okay, this is the another recent new form which has been introduced by HSC board. Now the next point which I am going to cover up, that is the group discussion. Group discussion, minimum like minimum 3 to 4 people used to be there, or max to max 10 to 12 people. They express or they represent their ideas about a topic, so that is the group discussion. While taking a part in a group discussion, make sure that okay, you shouldn't be in a rush. Whatever you are explaining, whatever you are saying, be confident about your thoughts. Try to provide live examples wherever or whenever possible, and speak confidently and speak effectively. Okay, instead of just like going for the negativity that okay, who has said what earlier is right or wrong. More than that, define your point, prove your point, present your point in an appealing way, so the people or the panel will like get impressed with your thoughts. So in a way you have to go for it. Here you can see that ABCDE that I have followed. What are these ABCD? You can write it down names also of the people. Okay, so instead of writing any name, I have followed that ABCD format. You can go for it. Now the few samples of group discussion about the COVID-19 pandemics that I have prepared. Then the pen is mightier than the sword, and money can't buy happiness, then neither can poverty. Okay, so these things I have tried to cover up over here with the help of the samples. You can get ready with the group discussion. Now the next point is, what is mind mapping? Simply speaking, mind mapping is like putting down your ideas on a paper, so it can help you to look forward into the life. So whatever the problems, whatever the things are there in an upcoming time, if you pen it down, so definitely you can work on its solution. So that is the mind mapping. So here are the examples. For example, in future, so what is my future? I am going to think about my job, family, food, health, love, sports, and fun and education. And you can see that okay, sub branches are also there, so you can add the sub branches. Okay, make sure that your mind mapping should not be like clumsy, it should not be like so chaos. Make it make it separate, and you can even simply use a complete page also, full page, for writing your mind map. You can draw the squares, you can draw the bubbles, you can go for the tree diagram. You are totally free, but make sure that this is not the drawing paper nor a sketching paper, so don't go for all those things. Okay, try to give your answers in a points, so you will get the out of score. So these are the examples which I have tried to cover about the mind mapping and even the school work planner mind mapping. Even you may get a sample paragraph about any details, and with the help of that they may advise us to make our mind map. So here is about Albert Einstein's mind map I have prepared. So with the help of these examples, you can get a detailed idea about mind mapping. So these all are the things that I have tried to cover in our today's session. For details, okay, you can stop this video for a while going through all those writing skills and check them out. These are the or these videos will definitely help you out to get the best example or to get the abstract idea about every writing skill. So I, Dr. Brijesh Shankar Rao Deshmukh, is now taking your leave. Thanks for watching this, and if you like it, definitely kindly like, share and subscribe this. So with the help of you, even other upcoming students also, they can clear up their all doubts with the help of such a interesting and helpful videos. So once again I'm expressing my heartfelt thanks for watching this video.